Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you about how to set up the project I have made. So first of all, please copy the link and just go to one terminal and just clone it in the desired folder. Let me tell you how. So this is my desired folder, so I just want to clone it. I paste the link after git clone command. This will take some time. After that, I have two fold. Wait a second. I will do cd question. What was the name of my app? My name of my app was question. So this was the name. These are the two name of my folders: front end question paper. These the front end folder contains the React application of the front end part of the paper, so that to represent the data we are getting, to fetching the data from the backend and showing it in a beautiful manner. So, but we are focusing on the question paper part, which is the backend part of the project, as it was asked for. We will open the project. So first of all, before opening, we will just do npm I or npm install to install all the requirements, and just do npm start to start the project. Okay, so my port is already in use, so I'm just closing it. So yeah, here we are. We will run it again, npm start, and as we can see, our project is live at localhost 5000 and we are connected successfully with the database. Let me first show you the project. Here are the project details. These are the routes. You can check it out. So I will show you the results on the Postman. First of all, to post the questions, you need to add this route. This will use to post the questions. These are the requirements, post requirements. Just send it, and you will get the response like this. And to get the questions, this get out is to fetch all the questions in the database. It will fetch all the questions in the database. And to prepare the question paper based on your requirement, like I have given this command for total marks of 100, difficult, this is in percentage, number of questions. Easy questions will be 50, moderate question 20%, hard question 30%. This is my requirement, so I have posted it. And when I will fire a request, I will get the questions according to my need. So for there is a one assumption we have taken in this, that easy questions will be of 5 marks, moderate questions will be of 10 marks, and hard question will be of 15 marks. So you can see there are 10 questions of easy, and for moderate there are only 2 questions, and for hard there are only 2 questions as per the requirement I have sent it to you. And this is in percentage. And if I do not follow it, like I do this 30 and the sum is not equals to 100, so this will give us an error. Sum of percentage should be equal to 100. And for like there are certain other things like 0, sum of percentage should be equal to 100. So this is what I'm trying to tell you. it should be like this. Sum should be 100 or whatever the, it should be equal to the total marks, and the percentage should be that it is the number of questions. Like I have 50 marks, 50% of my questions should be of easy, so 5 marks each, so it should be divisible by 50, so I have 10 questions, so like this should be. And this is the API. I find an API, I have integrated in, I have prepared a route for it. It will give us the questions, but the problem is that we don't have subjects, we can't add subjects and other things in it, so I have not integrated this part in my front end, but you can look around it. You can just put number of questions you need, like you can do 15, you will get 15 number of questions. This was the name of the, this is the URL of the API. So yeah, let us, so we were required to do the backend part only, but I have prepared the front end part also so that it is clearly visible to us. So I will go to the front end part. So the folder we were in is question. So this was our folder in which I have installed, I have cloned the project. Now to the front end part, I will go to the front end. Here I will do npm install, npm I or npm install, both are okay. Wait a second, we are getting some error. Let us look for it. So there was a problem with the GitHub, so the files of the front end were not posted. So we have pushed it in a different folder. It is completely different folder for the front end part. And the back end part will be in the different GitHub repository. So we can show that to you how to run it with the front end part. So we will just git clone it in a desirable folder. I want to git clone it in a web app, in a D folder. Uh, so I will use the git clone command here. So it is cloned. Now I'll just use npmi. Sorry, I have to move back to it. Now I will just do npm install. It will all to install all the dependencies. It will take some time, and just by that time we will run our backend. We will just run our backend so that commands can be, the request can be made to the backend from the front end. So our backend is running at localhost 5000 and we are connected to the database. And now we will run our front end. So this is our front end part. It is getting loaded. It will take quite a while though. Okay, so this is our front end. I will just, this is the route for the preparation of the question paper. I'll push this 30 here. I will click on the prepare, and this is like this. This is the subject, question, and marks. Subject, questions, and marks. This is how it is. Now I want to go back. press the return. I want to add some question to the database. I can put it here. It will like for president of what United Kingdom, subject I'll choose general knowledge, topic of the question current affairs, marks 5, add question. So I successfully added the question. Now I can again go back to here. This is how our front end going to work. That's all. Just make sure one thing that if you are using a different route, let me show that to you. While setting it up, while setting up the backend part, here if you change your Mongo URI, if you want to change your Mongo URI, I have used mine. I will advise you not to change that, so because I have certain question in my database. But if you want to change it, you can change and put your own. But there will some problem occur with the. You have to restart the server again and again. Just this one problem is there. I'm trying to fix it.